Sweet, savoury, and ready in a snap. Discover the fantastic taste of this pizza naan fusion. Half the red onion. Then thinly slice it. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large frying pan. Once hot, add the onions. Season with salt and pepper. Fry until golden brown, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, halve the baby plum tomatoes. Set them all aside. Place the naan bread on a baking tray and spread the marinara sauce evenly with the back of a spoon, leaving a border around the edges. Now top with caramelized onion, the sweet corn, and grated cheddar. When the oven is hot, bake the naanizzas until the cheese is golden brown. Time to serve. Drizzle the pesto over the naanizzas. Combine the rocket and tomatoes. Drizzle with balsamic glaze. And serve the salad with the naanizzas. And there you have it, an absolute fan favourite in comfort food. Enjoy!